55 years old and I started recording in studios when I was 15. So I've got 40 years of experience. I go from analog to digital, and I still use a hybrid studio, analog inputs into my digital converters. I'm a 48 channel recording studio. I can record 48 channels at once, and I think that's necessary because you want to record your drums and you want to record everything else live on microphones. That's why you're going to want to use my studio and use what I can give you to take back to me.
We all wish someday we might become